Hello, y'all. Y'all see that cooler right there? Yes, Lord. I have accepted the cold water challenge. Oh, Lord. Yes, Lord, I did. You know what time it is. I got to tune it up right quick in B flat before I accept this cool water challenge. Oh, Lord, take me to the water. Take me to the water. Take me to the water and baptize me. That's what we sing in baptismals when we baptizing people. Take me to the water. But the cold water challenge, yes, I'm going to do it. And then after that, I'm going to donate some money. All right? So y'all get ready. The cold water challenge. Here it goes. Oh. That water cold. It's the cold water challenge. I'm drinking cold water. That's some cold water. That's my cold water challenge. Don't get mad with me. Thank y'all for watching. Have a nice day. Good night.